What's going on, people? It's boy Richard here. Just making a quick video, showing you an account of one of my teammates. Um, he didn't mind me videoing his account because he's a visually impaired person or low vision person, and he's just showing. He wanted to show people that what he can still do even though he has low vision. So this is his account. We're gonna just call him old school. He has my FX book. Right now, these are two trades that he's in right now. Basically, the same trade, US CAD. Um, he got in at two different prices: 1.3187, 1.3202. We're looking to exit this trade at 1.3150. Okay, let me set that one. That one's not even set. 50. So we're just waiting for that. Don't know when this is actually going to take profit, but people's wondering what kind of results we're getting. So he's been trading on this account actually quite some time. He's been taking money out, but because he don't have his old history because the broker itself did some updates on his server, so it's a different server. So they did updates last month, so he only have information from last month. So basically, if you look at his account from last month, he still had a 39% uh, gain on his account. And this month is only like 5 days into the month. He's already at 29%. So this is his account, and as you can see, profit factor is over 2. And I guess anything that's over 1 even is considered a good profitable strategy or whatever is going on in your forex account. You can see total gains since last month to this month or whatever is at 80%. So he's doing pretty well on his account or whatever. So we're just waiting to see that he basically could sell this off. Um, he's shooting for, I forget what he's doing. Like I forget what his account started off at the beginning of the month at, but he's shooting for like at least 50% or more. That's what he wants to get this month. That's his little goal. So we're gonna try to when we call the trades or whatever, we do the trades in a manner that he'll be able to get a higher percentage this month than he did last month. And like I said, it's only 5 days into the month, so he has plenty of time. And even when he gets over that percentage, it doesn't necessarily have to mean that he has to keep on trading this account. So for the entire month, because like once you get to a certain goal, you can actually just stop. Um, how many trades you as you can see, in a combined month, 2 months or whatever, you got 1,600 pips in the trades that we have done. Um, you can see what he did this week so far, which is the new week, new month, or whatever. So this last updated 60 minutes ago. As you can see, this is a real account. So this is not no demo account that he's working on that some people actually post. But yeah, so you can see the type of stuff. Like you can see that he lost in the beginning of the month. He lost 62% of his account on I guess yeah, there was some trades that were in whatever we had took some losses or whatever, we had to cut our losses and get out those trades or whatever, which was a good thing that we did because like a lot of people have blown accounts and everything else, but we just took the trade, took the losses and jumped out those trades. And then there you go, he was down 62% on his account, then he went up, came up 20%, 39%, 50%, 80%. So even though he came down in the month of August or whatever, he came right back up out of August for growth. So that's why he ended up having 39% growth on his account, even though he took a 62% loss. He still ended up with growth. So as you can see, that's some of the things that we do here. Everyone does the same thing basically. We have two. It's one system, two and two tools that we use within the system. First tool we use automated trading. So we have an automated trading system that we use from the company that we work with, and then we have trades that the team traders on our team that we call out. So we call out trades to everyone on the team. So people end up having two forex accounts. And then if you learn how to trade forex or you know how to trade a little bit on your own, you end up having three forex accounts. But generally people have two forex accounts, one for automated trading and one for our team trades. So with the team trades, as you can see, we make good percentages. Our goal is to make 25% a month or whatever, and then we let the automated trading do whatever it does every month or whatever. If you get 25, if you get 15, if you get 40, doesn't matter. We just let that account does what it does, and that has a lot of growth on that account. And then this account, we can actually pull money from this account. So you have that generational wealth growing over there. And then some people actually pull from this account also because they're like, well, as long as I get 20% gain, that I keep into the account. So if we get those higher percentages like 30%, 40% gains, they'll take out those gains. So a lot of people, they do stuff like that. And that's why getting the higher percentages is actually pretty good for our group because that allows you to take money out and still have growth. As long as you can do that, take money out and have growth, then you're good. Second thing, what people use when people are actually using tools and the products that we have to actually try to generate some wealth. As you know, that no trade is guaranteed, but this is something that we hope and that will grow and keep growing and keep having consistent growth and having growth over time. That we basically have like we pay a membership to be part of the company that we are part of. So basically, we have ability to actually have a free membership. So if we share what we have, the product and the tools that we're using with the three other people, and they decide to use the tools and products itself, then you end up having a free membership. So well, you're not really a free membership. The company itself will give you a product credit that will goes toward your membership automatically. So you get the product credit, and then it goes back to them because it pays for your product that you're using. So and also, even if you say you don't you don't have the money or whatever, see, and that's what the whole thing with our team trades came from. It came from when people were saying that they don't have the money, or even when they start off their accounts with the company they're working with, they start off with accounts so small that maybe they can't pay the membership out of that, and they didn't have the extra money to pay the membership from the beginning. So because we get pretty decent percentages every month from our own trading, from our team trading, so a lot of people they start off accounts with us that pay the membership that start off accounts with us that make their membership money or whatever and have growth on their accounts, and then they keep on continuing and then they grow that way. A lot of people do that. They just grow that way. They use the team accounts to pay for their memberships until maybe they find three people to join. Or sometimes some people, they'll go out and find 4 people to join, and then they don't necessarily have to pay for the membership because they will still get a product credit from the company. Um, that because they had 3 people that actually pay, well, 4 people that actually pay, and so they get a free product credit that way. That way, they never even invested money into the company itself to actually do that. But I wouldn't do it that way because you don't know what kind of because you won't be able to use our team trades doing that until you have volume being generated for the team. So you want to already start using the product. You want to start using the tools that we have out there. So yeah. So right now we're just waiting for this trade to come down, and once it comes down, he'll probably make around about, I'll say between 130 to 160 bucks if it comes down and drops to this amount today or tomorrow. I think it probably drop at least by tomorrow. It'll drop to this take profit level. So we're still waiting on that. So and there's other people making money off this trade. So there's people that's probably gonna make at least $600 off this same trade because they have larger accounts. It's just his account is a smaller account, so he's able to do that. And then because the kind of pullback we have on our team trades, like most of the time, um, he's able to do larger lot sizes, and because of the broker we're using, we have the margin of the leverage that allows us to make more money on per trade. So, and that's the reason why we're using the broker that we're using, because it allows us a greater margin, a greater leverage that a person can start off with a $250 account and trade 1 mini lot. And because with our team trades, because of the pullback we have on our trades, we don't have that much pullback that you could end up making. If we do 200 pips that month, you end up making $200 with a $250 account. So you almost make 100%. So, but anyway, that's all I want to talk. And as always, let's keep making money. Peace.